This video gives top management an example of how u4c members exploit 4-second intelligence with the XTI area of any u4c enabled file. u4c is an adaptive business tool, and, as with any tool, its contribution and value will turn upon the needs and expertise of each user. Expertise that can at any time range from amateur beginner through to highly skilled professional. We'll see in the next 3 minutes a working example of how a fully trained u4c member can apply u4c capability and expertise to a typical accounting or management task. The file used for this example is the identical u4c enabled file that members create and build from scratch as part of their training in month 2 of their u4c members course. This example uses a simple dataset of a golf club's membership data to show how this data can be linked with automatic mechanisms for calculating, charging and invoicing members for their periodic golf subscriptions. This screen shows the normal 3 dimensions of a u4c enabled file, along with u4c's 4th dimension, its u4c XTI area, located always to the immediate right of every u4c report area, as illustrated here on an empty u4c wand file. Now we see the same file complete with its membership data in normal use and ready to give an example of the value of a u4c XTI area in action, as a means of targeting extra intelligence from the findings and data held at any time in a u4c report area. Now for our 3-minute example of what u4c members can achieve with the typical use of their u4c XTI area. With the data area of the u4c file on view, we request a full list of membership subs due from members in the file. We u4c the file here, and with an empty u4c Q-bar, we see the full listing of members now in the report area. We can note also how this report automatically activates the formulae that we have resident in the u4c XTI area to its right, area 4. We'll now use the defined custom view to have the u4c report area and XTI area on screen together. We can clear the u4c report area with one keystroke. Now that we have cleared the u4c report area, the XTI area is rendered blank. Note how the u4c maninfo line functions on any u4c report on row 11. Its value totals are at present 0 because the u4c report area is empty. u4c the file now and see what happens. The u4c report area now displays all 274 records in its report and shows the subscriptions chargeable to each club member with value summaries on the u4c maninfo line on row 11. This data and their values are captured by the use of a simple Excel lookup table that records current subscription rates for each class of membership. These rates are displayed in columns BD through BJ. The charges to each account are calculated in columns BL to BT. The data in columns BL through BT provide copy-paste data to create a dataset that can be used with an MS Word mail merge to create printed or PDF invoices and to form the input data for batch data entry direct into any modular accounting system. The Excel lookup table used here is maintained on a separate worksheet within the R401 file, as shown here. u4c members can study how it functions in month 2 of their u4c members course. A u4c XTI area can include anything a user wishes, not just formulae. It's a professional tool that can be used by its user to gain further intelligence from the content of current or past u4c reports, such as collating, say, weekly or periodic activity reports. Indeed, its uses are myriad and designed to respond to the myriad wishes and needs of all who need to target intelligence from any voluminous data or datasets. I end here where I came in on this video. u4c is a highly professional and adaptive tool, and, as with all tools, users need proper training, expertise and practical experience to use the tool in demanding, high-pressure work and business environments. The u4c members course provides the vitally necessary 40+ hours of hands-on training It takes time to incrementally learn and to practice and perfect that learning. And the only way to achieve this capability is for you or your staff to become a u4c member and complete the u4c members course. And, as we have seen in this video, u4c1 files automate the learning recall and the application of u4c training for its u4c member users for life.